Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use VS Code for Salesforce. First, you will need to install Visual Studio Code on your machine. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for and install the Salesforce extension pack, which includes several essential tools. Finally, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P and authorize your Salesforce org to connect your development environment, ensuring a smooth start. Once your environment is set up, the next step is to create a new Salesforce DX project. This project will serve as your local workspace for all development. You can then retrieve existing metadata, such as Apex classes or Lightning Web Components, directly from your Salesforce org into this project. The command palette is your best friend here, allowing you to quickly pull down specific components or an entire package of metadata with just a few keystrokes. With your project ready, you can now begin developing. VS Code provides excellent support for editing Apex classes, Lightning Web Components, and Visualforce pages, offering features like syntax highlighting and code completion. After making your changes, you can easily deploy them back to your Salesforce org. For connected orgs, source tracking automatically keeps your local project and the org in sync, making development incredibly efficient and reducing manual effort. Finally, effective debugging and testing are crucial for quality development. VS Code integrates powerful tools like the Apex debugger, allowing you to step through your Apex code and inspect variables in real time. You can also run Apex tests directly from the editor, viewing results instantly. For deeper insights, monitor debug logs within VS Code, which provide comprehensive execution information, helping you quickly identify and resolve any issues.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.